The flooding's gone and quieter weather's on the way. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, and this was myself earlier today in Ventnor. Notice my boots here. We saw about between 4 to 7 inches of water out in Ventnor along the bay side, and this was all part of a couple of cycles of high tide flooding. Sunday morning was pretty widespread, save for the Delaware Bay. It stayed firmly in minor flood stage. This morning's high tide and going into the midday was widespread everywhere, and there were a couple of areas in moderate flood stage as well. But notice this, as we go into the nighttime high tide, which really in a couple of spots won't be until early on Tuesday morning, no flooding issues expected. And this is all because we have a northeasterly wind now as we go into the overnight hours and into Tuesday morning. Our storm system moving out of the picture here, and that means drier air for us as we go into tomorrow. But we have to get through some of this rain first. We have rain in the northern part of Atlantic County and Ocean County. That will move to the north. That should be out of there by about 9 o'clock. Then we're dry for a couple of hours during the evening. Our second round will be pushing to the north and east, but it weakens as it does so. And I think it's just a couple of scattered showers, maybe even just isolated showers, and it will end by 4 a.m. And then we will start to dry out here. And as we go later into the week, we get milder air that comes in with the high pressure system, as these low pressure systems are to our north and to our west for Thursday and Friday here. As we look at the evening forecast, a couple of showers around 7 p.m., dry between 9 to about 11 p.m., and then we see a couple of showers. But it's not a washout either way, but it's a cold, damp overnight for you. Temperatures in the mid-30s on the mainland, low 40s on the shore, and they stay steady after about midnight or so. Then we go into Tuesday, morning cloud cover, and that will give way to afternoon sunshine. So it'll be partly sunny for the afternoon. Climbing to seasonable temperatures at 54 degrees. We are 6.2 degrees below average at Atlantic City International Airport, so that will help get us closer to average. Fall planner for tomorrow, looking good all around. Maybe a couple of issues if you can't really handle the soggy ground, but overall I think we're going to be drying out here. Here's our mainland 7-day forecast. Seasonable for Wednesday, seasonable for Thursday. Friday we warm up at the expense of a couple of showers here. Now it's not going to be a washout by any stretch, and I do think most of your day is dry. On the back end of this, some chillier air for Saturday. Then we're going to monitor Sunday. There is a storm system around. Trends and recent model guidance has told me it's probably going to stay to our south, but we will monitor it over time. Even if it does make its way north, I think we're talking about rain showers here in South Jersey. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at AC Press Martucci, or thepressafac.com/weather.